Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So, if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Macenzie Childs Inspired Spring DIY, and this is hosted by Decorating with Anne's Place and Indiana Jones. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box along with the playlist of all the participants. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final result of my Mackenzie Childs Inspired Spring Decor. So this is one of the white picture frame, and I just gave the back of the picture frame the scrapbook paper of Mackenzie Child design, and I topped it with one of the ornate mirror frame, and I stuck few of the roses, and it's like a golden border. It's so beautiful and royally looking, and I'm so loving it. So please let me know your thoughts on this. So like you saw the process, I just stuck one of the Mackenzie child paper on top of the carton that I was throwing out as it was having like egg shape. So, and I also stuck one of the lace ribbon just to give like a shabby chic look to it, and I gave like one of the pink bud rose in there in the center with the bow. And yeah, I'm so loving it. And I just gave like one of the jingle block in the back so it can stand. And this is egg shape and this spring, and it's got Mackenzie design, so I thought it goes along with the theme, and I just decorated with flower on the side. So I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And this is one of the carton, and I covered that carton with the Mackenzie child paper on top of it. And then this is one of the lace ribbon, and I gave like 4 beads as the feet to just give like a razor kind of a look to it. And I had like one of the birdies sitting on top with some florals and greeneries. So I absolutely love this project. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are my few Mackenzie Childs Spring decor DIYs. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.